Hi, in today's math video, I'm going to be explaining how to use partial quotient in order to solve a division equation. So for our example, we have 4,536 divided by 6. And the way we do partial quotient is we start by thinking about what friendly number can we use that's going to get us close to 4,536. So for example, if I know my multiples of 6, I know that 6 times 7 is going to get me close to at least 45. I want to try to focus on these two numbers to start. It just makes it easier. So I'm going through my multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. And I know that if I go any further, it's going to take me past 45. So I'm going to start with 7. Now I know 6 times 7 is 42, but still it's not just 42. It's closer really to 4,200. So I'm going to add 2 zeros. And now 6 times 7 actually equals 4,200. So I'm going to bring that here. So my first partial product I've taken out, 6 times 700 is going to give me 4,200. Now I'm going to go ahead and subtract. Once I subtract, I am left with 336. Now I'm just going to repeat the process. 6 times what number can get me close to 33? Again, using my multiples of 6. 6 times 5 is what I'm thinking about because that is 30. So I'm going to start with 5. Now I know that 6 times 5 is 30, but I'm also trying to get to closer to 336. So the way to do that is by adding a 0. So that now instead of just 6 times 5, I have 6 times 50. So now instead of just 30, it actually becomes 300. I'm going to subtract. And now I have 36. Now we're almost done. So I'm going to do the same process. We're going to repeat the process again. 6 times blank gets me close to 36. And I know that is 6. Subtract. And now I have 0. So now to get my final quotient, I'm going to add the three partial quotients together. And now I have 756. And that is my quotient. 4,536 divided by 6 equals 756.